Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a mic stand that I absolutely love. Now this was made by Ultimate and I love it for a couple of features. First of all, the base. It's a heavy duty circular base. It's not going to move, and what I really love about it is the fact that it doesn't take up too much space or room. If you notice some of the other mic stands, they have the tri-legs. I personally don't really like that because it does take up a lot more room, and sometimes when you're in small spaces, this works perfect. I love the fact that you can just adjust it to whatever height you need, and it's very easy to use. As you can see right now, I'm actually using it to hook up my microphone so I can jam a little bit with my guitar, be able to sing into it and record my voice, and it works perfect. All in all, I love this mic stand. Highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.